Alright, hey everybody. Just installed a new headlight, LED headlight from JNS. I'm gonna have to adjust the beams a bit, and I also installed a couple of little side pod lights. They're hooked up to my high beams now. Probably whiting out the camera a bit, but after that last night ride without light, we'll see how this one does. So it's still a little it's kind of like twilight hours right now, so I can't really tell this light that great, but it looks like it's shining actually not too bad. Low beam, the high beam looks nice. Probably go up a little bit. Being the LED, it doesn't draw as much as the original headlight too. It's a really nice night right now. I think it's like about plus 15 or 16. There's plus 28 degrees today. The day after the May long weekend is a pretty awesome weekend. Got out on the quad. So far I'm liking this headlight. It was a fairly straightforward install. And then I added those pod lights, and I just ran them into the high beam wire and grounded them out, and seems to work fine. Can probably aim it up just a little bit though. Definitely way more light than the other one. Feel much safer now. Just got back from northern Saskatchewan doing a ATV ride with Austin Cruiser and Blackie and Can-Am XTP and 57 other people. There were 60 people. It was crazy. It was a skeg ride, Muskeg. Lots of people stuck, lots of breakdowns. Long day, but a pretty awesome ride. Wondered if this light makes a difference on the GoPro at night. The last time we couldn't even see anything. The bugs are starting to come out now too, that the weather's nicer. I haven't seen bugs for 8 months. Now that I got this thing all set up again, get out and do some rides. Like to do a couple overnight rides, put the tent and gear on and go up north somewhere, ride some back roads, camp out. Should be fun. I'm really liking this ARC jacket too. Nice and warm even without the liner in it right now. All I have is a t-shirt underneath. It's got the built-in shoulder and elbow pads. Looks like they've torn up the road here. Wasn't like that yesterday. Nice and dusty now. I put the microphone underneath my nose cone here. Used to put it up above it all the time, but you can't really hear me. It muffles a bit, so we'll see how this works out. Wow, gas has actually dropped a little bit. Well, now that the long weekend's over, it was up to 145. Now it's 137.6. Gotta love it when they can do that just on a whim. Up, down, up, down. Check that one out, 150. Wow, prices are all over the place. You know how BS that is. Scamming everybody. Our cheapest gas is still more expensive than the most expensive US gas. All the oil we produce out in Alberta gets shipped out of the country, sold out of the country, and then we buy it back for an inflated price. Makes a lot of sense. Well, so far I'm really happy with the lights I put on here. Make a big difference if I do any night riding or I get caught out in the dark or a little more safety, be seen, although not too many of these people look anyways. You could have a fluorescent orange bike and a fluorescent orange suit and they still wouldn't see you. Always got to expect the unexpected here. You always got to expect somebody to turn in front of you or pull out in front of you. Because when you don't expect it, that's when it happens. You probably hear quite a bit of hum from the tires. That's because I got the still have the Dunlop 606s on. Just letting them wear down, and then I'll go back to the Hyundai or whatever the heck they are. Hide now. That's it. Gotta learn to speak English. Hide now. The K60s, I believe they were. I had those on my Dalton trip, and they worked excellent. Long wear life. Didn't have any problems on gravel. So I'll be throwing a set of those on once these are done. Oh, I'd love to be on a trip right now. Got a couple of trips I still want to do, as I mentioned before, the Tuktoyaktuk up the Dempster Highway. James Bay would be nice. East Coast would be really nice. Only been to Prince Edward Island out that way. I probably should have blown that one, but that was a quick stop. Not a lot of traffic out tonight, which is nice. Be more in the morning when I get off work. Yeehaw. Nice night for a ride anyways. See how chilly it is in the morning. Got to try out my electric jacket again. The plug coming out of my bike, the lead was, I guess there was a wire starting to break in it, and it was off and on, so I bought a new one, changed it out. Hopefully it'll just stay on now. Alright, so it's just a little ride, just check out the lights, let you know what I've been up to, let you know the KLR is ready to go, good to go. Hope to be doing some more rides. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, everyone.